back to Trash Next. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Pro Wrestling Crate. I think it came yesterday or the day before.
I'm here with a haircut that's supposed to be like layers. So
we're just filming it today.
It kind of is, but I don't know if I like it or not. You guys let me know what you think.
Do you want to mention the giveaway?
Oh, and we were going to try to do a giveaway in June, but we've been behind. So our new goal is like to do one by 4th of July. So hopefully get some stuff together. I know I already bought earrings. I was trying to buy more earrings. I haven't yet though. Just because they're really cute, I thought, for summer. But we're going to try to do that, so stay tuned.
Okay, so the little pin I'm getting is, let's see, and I'm all out of bubble gum. Is that Roddy Piper? I can't tell. Who is that? Oh, it is.
Yay! 100 Chase variants included. This month's charity was extraordinary medical costs for little Aya. Aya? Aya. I feel like it's Aya. Aya.
Where are you looking? Oh, I guess. I can't ever read what this is. Does this say King? No.
Yeah, if it's King Switch.
Yeah, I don't know.
King Switch Jay White t-shirt. I know. If you don't know who it is, I wouldn't know who it is.
No, I think I know who Jay White if he's in Japan Pro Wrestling. But wait, I'm gonna wait on the other shirt. Okay, so Micro Brawler. This is Bully Ray. So
Bully Ray.
And we just got our nails done today, different. So if you notice that change there. And then let's see, Behind the Mask, Dell the Patriot Wilkes.
That's cute. That's
DVD.
themed like the Patriot because it's like almost 4th of July.
So we're trying to make it fit in the screen there. There's that. And then some little socks, Super Kicks socks. Does that say?
He looks like a psycho. So like, it
don't know.
says Denhausen. Do you know who that is?
Denhausen?
Or Hausen? I thought it was Hausen.
I don't know off the top of my head, really.
I mean, his makeup makes me think of Stings, and then like, but he looks like he's like, he does a smile, but looks like a clown smile, so it looks like crazy, kind of like a psycho killer.
And then the autographed picture.
Aww.
Mark Henry, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, she's right. That's like cool.
So there's that, and then let me get the last shirt to put this away. Last item is the shirt. Why did I just say Medusa? Just because of the way the thing looks. Oh yeah, so like
it says gaze, like that's the title of the shirt. Medusa t-shirt.
So good items as always.
And it says for next time, it says Gone But Not Forgotten. Crate features Eddie Guerrero, New Jack, Flying Brian Pillman, Bruiser Brody, Road Warriors, Vader, Harley Race, and special item featuring China, Luna, is that Fashawn?
I think Fashawn.
I feel like it's Sherry Martel and more. So that'll be a good crate to dig into. But if this video was fast enough for you, as always, give us a thumbs up and wait for our next giveaway as soon as we can do that one for you guys. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.